I'm only packing the essentials. We gotta take all the scrunchies. Now it's time to move on to packing shoes. Yeah, I just want to bring all of them. This really is the saddest video I've ever filmed. And then my leggings as usual, dude. Hey guys, it's Jarrell. This is gonna be the saddest video. As most of you guys know, I'm going into my freshman year of college. And if you guys were curious, I'm going to Cal State Northridge. It's a Cal State university. I'm super excited, but I'm also super nervous. I live about 40 minutes from the school, so I decided to dorm this year, and I feel like for my freshman year that's a good decision. So I'm moving out of my house. I'm taking all my stuff, packing it up, and moving into my dorm. I can't believe it's already time to move to college! So this video is a moving out vlog. I'm 18, moving out of my house. But anyway, I thought this would be a fun video to film because I know a lot of you guys are also going to college. I have to pack all my clothes, my makeup, everything I'm bringing I have to pack up. But today I'm just gonna start this vlog because why not? My clothing rack is still pretty good and then the shoes are pretty organized, but I have so much stuff everywhere else. It's such a mess. So I have a lot of cleaning to do and a lot of organizing and packing to do. I don't even know where to start. It's crazy. Everything you see on my floor right now is stuff that I'm taking to my dorm. This is all like part of my college shopping vlog that I did. First, I've been washing all of my sheets and my bedding, so that's all in the laundry room. And then I have this whole bag packed. This is all my bathroom stuff. Well, I have an ice cube tray in here too. That bag is just full of school supplies. So that's all I've packed, honestly. I'm gonna have to take all my pictures down, pack all of my clothes. I'm not gonna be able to bring my clothing rack, which is so sad because I've had it for years. And then I'm not gonna be able to bring this huge mirror because it won't fit. So I got this one, which is still a full body mirror. It's a little bit smaller. And then the last thing I want to take is one of my Alex 9 drawers because it'll be great for storage. So I have a lot to bring. So in this video, it's gonna be like a moving vlog and then also a move-in vlog. These are all clean towels that I just washed. My hand towels, bath towels, as well as washcloth. So I got 2 of each. I've been putting some room stuff in it, so this is the stuff I got from Target. Next, I'm gonna move this mirror out into the hallway. This is going to be my new big mirror. I'm gonna fold all these towels and then I'm over it. I don't want to do any more today. I'm so bad at staying productive. I look ugly. Doesn't mean I know that I might hurt. I know thinking about flipping boxing no major must be kid bops. What's a real hit top. This really is the saddest video I've ever filmed. I finished my makeup. My hair is so crazy because I blow dried it a little bit, but it's not like all the way dry. So I have to go back and straighten it now, but it's like, it's such a mess. Let's go back and straighten my hair and then I'm gonna pick out my outfit for today. I'm gonna change out of this t-shirt dress into my outfit today. Okay, I'm gonna pick out what I'm gonna wear today. Here's what I'm wearing. This is my top from Brandy. I love these tops. These are like perfect for school because they're so casual and they come in so many different colors. So I'm wearing this one. It's like this heather gray with like this hunter green color. And then I have a matching scrunchie. It matches perfectly. I love it. And then my leggings as usual, dude. I'm wearing my new shoes and I'm obsessed. They're these camo Vans, the like old school camo Vans. I'm in love. I've wanted these forever. My friends got them for me for my birthday. And then I'm wearing some jewelry, my silver necklace, some bracelets, my Apple Watch, scrunchie, all of that. So I am heading off to breakfast this morning, even though I already had coffee. I'm gonna get something to eat.
stuff.
Oh, you did.
They said a pig never. No. But what happened to the pig later? They insulted me. They didn't know.
Okay, so this is all of the stuff that have organized so far. I didn't really record this part because it was basically all in piles in my room. So we don't have any moving boxes, so we're gonna have to use these laundry baskets to move everything, which honestly isn't that bad. Here is all my bedding. I washed all of the sheets, pillowcases, comforter, everything, just so I know everything's clean. Down below, I have my mini fridge. There's not much I have to do with that, so I just left it in the box. Here I have bathroom and kitchen supplies. This is like my little bathroom caddy thing. I just put my Keurig, and then this is like a stand-up light. This is a perfect section. I have it like right outside my hallway. This is stuff I got in my college dorm shopping vlog. This is just organizing the Target stuff that I bought for my dorm. Now that all of this stuff is out of my room, you go in my room and it just looks like my room. This is what I'm gonna be like unpacking. So I have a lot to do. I'm probably gonna like spend all night doing this. I'm gonna turn on some music and just start cleaning everything, getting the trash out, and then start packing everything up. You want this? Okay, so this entire basket has been under my desk for like months and I haven't gone through it. Now I'm gonna go through it and we're gonna either pack it, find what I'm gonna donate. This is a tube top, you want it?
Alright.
It's black.
I know it's black.
All the guys
I think this is mom's.
Maybe in case you go to that.
Okay, so the desk is done. Everything under there I'm not gonna take. Now it's time to move on to packing shoes.
I want all of them.
Yeah, I just want to bring all of them. Where are you? Black slip-ons, checkered Vans, old school all-white Vans, the regular Vans. Oh my god, my new checkered Vans. Birkenstocks, new off-white and blue ones, camo Vans, my Nike Air Force Ones, and then for my all-white Vans slip-ons, I'm gonna just wear those tomorrow, so I'm not gonna pack them. They're all gone. Why does it look so much better with no shoes there? It looks so much better. I have to bring all the hangers, but look how sad this is. Which jackets should I choose? 2 drawers. And that's it for the shirts. Done! Another drawer in 2 minutes. Okay, so we've been cleaning for a while and we've been making so much progress. I literally didn't realize how much stuff I had that I had to pack. I went through this drawer of school supplies that I have and I picked out what I'm gonna need, so I have it all right here. My bed is a mess. My sister has been packing up all my makeup for me. They're all going in these plastic bins right now so we could store them as we go. To save space, I'm just taking all of the makeup out of the packaging and just throwing away the packaging because I don't have space to keep all these little boxes. this is all trash and all this is trash. I'm only packing the essentials. We gotta take all the scrunchies.
Harley's.
This is like our last little footage from my room. This whole section is done. I have to take down the lights because I'm bringing those. I'm taking this plastic box. Oh, I forgot about this stuff. I have to just put that away. It's like, whatever. These 2 baskets are full of clothes. I almost forgot I have to take down all my pictures. Got all of my jewelry off my stand.
Watch, get this.
Good morning, guys. So today is the day. I'm getting everything together. We're not leaving until the afternoon, but I just finished getting ready. I actually don't have a lot more to do. I still have to pack all of this, so I'm gonna wash my brushes. I have like all my pictures off the wall. I'm probably just gonna bring all of them so I could decorate my room. Oh my god, this is so much stuff. That is so gross. It's literally crazy. This is sad. Got it all in the elevator.
What?
Oh my gosh.
We don't have someone brings.
Let's do lights. We have 2 now.
Chris could go on. Look how crazy this is.
2 or 3 more packs.
Yeah.
You got it.
First meal. So my room is pretty much done. It's much later. I actually didn't end up putting in the Alex 9 drawer because it cuts off like right here, so it could fit, but I'm not sure. I might put it in next time. It's super messy. I have to go to Target tomorrow and get some more stuff like hangers, and then I'm gonna have my mom bring my mirror next time she comes. And then I also wanna put some lights and pictures up there, but that's it. It's been like super busy today. Like I've just been doing a ton of stuff, so yeah. No, I have to buy batteries. I totally forgot to buy batteries. These are all my hangers and I have like so much more space. That was today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you guys in my next one. I love you guys so much. Bye!